Rats are one of the most successful species on the planet. And there's one place in particular where they really shine: cities. Rats have been able to thrive in urban environments where humans live, work, and play. They're basically everywhere, even though we humans have tried our best to get rid of them, and rats are smarter than you think. In fact, rats have a number of tricks that help them outsmart even the smartest humans. Coming up next, here are 5 reasons why rats can outsmart us humans. Number 1, they're quick learners. Rats are among the smartest animals on the planet. In fact, some scientists believe that rats are just as smart as dogs. Rats can learn new things quickly and easily, which is part of the reason why they're so successful. Rats also have excellent memories, which helps them remember where food sources are located. This allows them to plan ahead and make preparations for the future. For example, rats will often hide food for later consumption. They're also able to learn from other rats, which allows them to quickly spread information about new food sources or potential dangers. This ability to learn and adapt is what has allowed rats to thrive in a variety of environments, including cities. Number 2, they're great at adapting. Rats are incredibly adaptable creatures, and this is one of the main reasons why they're so successful. Rats can thrive in a variety of different environments, including sewers, attics, and even the middle of a busy street. They're able to adapt to different climates, and they're also able to find food and water in a variety of different places. Rats are also very resistant to poisons, which makes it difficult for humans to get rid of them. Rats have a natural resistance to many poisons, and they're also able to develop immunity to others over time. This means that the poisons that humans use to kill rats often don't work after a while because the rats simply become immune to them. Rats are also able to reproduce very quickly, which makes it difficult to get ahead of them. Rats can have up to 12 pups per litter, and they can have several litters per year. This means that a rat infestation can quickly get out of control if it's not dealt with right away. The combination of their adaptability, resistance to poisons, and rapid reproduction is what makes rats such a successful species. Number 3, they're excellent communicators. Rats communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including squeals, whistles, and barks. They also communicate through touch and visual cues. Rats are very social creatures, and they live in groups called colonies. Colonies can consist of up to 100 rats, and there's usually a dominant male and female. Rats are very communicative with each other, and they use a variety of vocalizations to convey different messages. For example, rats will squeal when they're in distress, or when they're trying to get the attention of their mother. Rats also bark when they're trying to communicate with other rats. In addition to their vocalizations, rats also communicate through touch and visual cues. Rats will groom each other to show affection, and they will also lick each other's faces to show submission. Rats are very visual creatures, and they rely heavily on sight to communicate. They use their whiskers to collect visual information, and they also rely on facial expressions to communicate. Number 4, they're physically adept. Rats are incredibly agile creatures, and this allows them to navigate tight spaces with ease. They're also able to move quickly, which allows them to escape from predators or humans who are trying to catch them. Rats are also very good swimmers, and this allows them to travel through sewers and other bodies of water without getting stuck. Their agility and swimming abilities are likely due to their body shape and size. Rats are relatively small, which allows them to fit into tight spaces. They also have long, slender bodies, which allow them to move quickly and easily. Rats are also very fast runners, and they can easily outrun a human. They can run up to 8 miles per hour, which is faster than most people can run. Their speed and agility are what allow rats to be such successful creatures. They're able to evade predators and humans who are trying to catch them, and they're also able to travel through difficult terrain with ease. Number 5. They have keen senses. Rats have 4 main senses: sight, smell, taste, and hearing. All of these senses help rats survive in their environment. Rats rely heavily on their sense of smell, and this is what allows them to find food and water. They can also use their sense of smell to detect danger. Rats have a very acute sense of hearing, and this allows them to detect predators or humans who are trying to catch them. Rats are also able to see very well in low light conditions, which is helpful for them when they're foraging for food at night. Their keen senses are what allow rats to be such successful creatures. They're able to find food and water, detect danger, and avoid being caught by predators or humans. Rats are incredibly smart animals, and they have a number of tricks that help them outsmart even the smartest humans. They're quick learners, great at adapting, excellent communicators, physically adept, and have keen senses. All of these things make rats the ultimate survivors. So next time you see a rat, remember that it's not just a lowly rodent. It's a highly intelligent creature that's perfectly adapted to survive in the urban jungle.